Hello and welcome to our training video on managing URL offers in TextPeak. Let's get started. You will learn why it is important to use the URL offers and how to create an offer for short or opt-out URL. Before using short or opt-out URLs in your SMS campaign messages, it's crucial to set up URL offers. URL offers allow you to specify the original URLs your customers will open from the SMS messages you send them. In message campaigns, recipients will see links with short URLs based on custom domains. These custom domains will redirect them to your original URLs. Now, let's see how you can add a short or opt-out URL offer. To add a URL offer, go to Domains and URLs, then select URL offers and click Add URL. If you haven't added any URL offers yet, simply click Add your first URL on the empty page. In the window that pops up, you can select the URL type, URL offer or URL opt-out. This choice depends on the purpose of your URL. Both types replace long links in the SMS text. Opt-out URLs can allow recipients to easily unsubscribe from future messages. Now, enter the URL name and specify the original URL to which the opt-out or short URL will redirect. This is the destination your customers will reach when they interact with the links in your SMS messages. Optionally, you can click the parameters to add them to your URL. Parameters help track opened messages by specific criteria. For example, you can track the countries in which your customers open your links, or compare different variants in terms of links followed. Under URL expiry, define how long your deal will be active. Enter a number from 1 to 60 days. Also, select if you wish to start counting the expiry period from the offer or message creation date. After filling in all the data, click Create. Your IT team will need to perform additional configuration on your side to fully utilize the added parameters. When you add many URLs, you will be able to filter them by name, status, or type. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to manage URL offers in your SMS campaigns. Happy campaigning!